My goodness, it's cold today. It's your boy Ben. We're diving down into Bayside, Melbourne, more than 5 to 6 million years of age. What's in between these rocks here? Oh, it's a bit of a chaswazzer, that is, eh? No, it's not a chaswazzer. It's a partial tooth of a physeteroid, an ancient type of sperm whale that has enamel, unlike its modern varieties. Woo!
Whoa! Hi there, I'm paleontologist Ben Francischelli. Today we're going to do something a little bit different with the explainer portions of these videos. We're going to give them to Sir David Attenborough himself. David, you're on.
Whoa! Hello there, I'm Sir David Attenborough. This is a particularly fascinating specimen. It's a tooth from a physeteroid, a type of sperm whale. And what sets it apart from other sperm whales is the presence of enamel at the tip of the crown. Modern sperm whales do not have any enamel on their teeth. It hints at a drastically different predator, one that may have fed on other whales when it was alive. Whoa!
I can't feel my face when I'm in 12-degree water. No, I really can't. And my fingers, they're freezing cold. But check out what's at the bottom of the seafloor in Bayside, Melbourne. Just resting there, covered in all this coralline algae. It's a chonky Carcharodon hastalis tooth, the ancestor of the great white shark itself. Woo! Still cold in Bayside, Melbourne. My goodness, winter is a terrible time to dive, but damn do I need new gloves. What am I even trying to hold here? This is the carpometacarpus, the third bone in the flipper of a large penguin that lived 5 to 6 million years ago. Woo!
Whoa! Penguins are rather cute. In Australia today, there's only one species that breeds on the continent, the little or fairy penguin. They only stand at about 35 to 40 centimeters in height. But 5 to 6 million years ago, it was a rather different story. This carpometacarpus, part of the flipper, suggests that these penguins were getting to the same size as a gentoo, up to 90 centimeters in height. On the basis of other fossil material also found in Beaumaris and Bayside, we know that these penguins are stem penguins with no relatives alive today. Whoa! Thank you for watching. You can help Ben launch these expeditions into Bayside's past by sponsoring him on Patreon. In return, you'll get never-before-seen footage of what it takes to find these specimens on the bottom of the seafloor. It's only with your help that we can salvage the heritage of Melbourne. And for the price of an overpriced coffee cup, $5 every week, we can make it a reality. Whoa! Whoa!
Hi there, thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.